Hi folks, I'm Russell Spencer. I'm with Forest River Cardinal, and today I am super excited to be able to show you the brand new 2022 383 BHLE Cardinal. Let's check it out inside. All right folks, now that we're in the rear of the coach here, I'm going to show you what BH stands for in the 383 BHLE, and that is Bunk House. This is a massive room for your children. We've got the double loft up here, and one of the great things we do at Cardinal is our lofts are a lot deeper, so as you'll be able to see, your children will be able to actually sit up, read a book, play some toys, do what they need to do up there, all while staying cool with our big 10-blade max fan up there, keeping the air flowing through this unit. As you come down, metal ladders, so no more wooden ladders. And as we go into the back here, you're gonna see the nice, beautiful full bathroom. So it has the tub, the shower, the toilet, the sink, everything that your children will need and not have to go up to your main bathroom. One of the great features we do at Cardinal here is we do a second door off of our rear bathroom, so you can just go in and out as you need and don't have to go through the entire coach. As you'll see in our bunk area, obviously the flip up bunk, nice windows so you're getting some light, and the tri-fold sofa. So this guy will fold right out. And great thing too is you can actually still walk through here when this is fully extended out. I'll check out the kitchen with you now. As we're walking into our spacious kitchen here, you're gonna see things like flip up storage for your chairs, nice beautiful windows in our slide outs, big windows so you're actually getting some light in, full power recliners with the massage feature in there as well, so take a load off. All solid surface countertops in all of our kitchens. Okay, in your limited, you're gonna have the matte black sink, matte black residential pull-out faucet, okay? This coach has the double pantry, so there's one on each side of the kitchen. Obviously very large, has the nice lights inside, trimmed out nice, looking good. 16 cubic foot residential refrigerator in there. You can also option in the 18 cube gas electric if you like. We do the wine rack to the side of the fridge. Larger oven and stove, so the 22-inch oven and the 3-burner stove. And then what's nice is we obviously do the beautiful glass countertop for the stove so that it's not just useless space. 30-inch over the range microwave, so larger residential size microwave in there, and then a ton of storage on both sides. Okay, so just off the kitchen on your entertainment side here, standard 32-inch TV in our limiteds, large fireplace, and what's great is it's 5,000 BTU of heat, so if you don't want to run your furnace, just want to take the chill off, that's going to do it. If you just want to have it like I have it, which is just the flame and no heat, it just adds that little bit of ambiance for your guests, right? One of the great things we've done this year in Cardinal Limited is we've gone completely carpetless, so there is no more carpet in our coach. Nice clean transition from your main floor to your slide out. One of the great things that we're doing as well is the new upgraded fascia. So as you'll see, it's kind of a rough looking wood. We've got the metal corners on there now, so it just structurally, it's holding up a lot better, and really has that residential, rustic barn look kind of feel to it. Inside of our limited bathrooms, you're gonna see awesome amenities like porcelain toilets, metal sinks, and in your limited, you're gonna have the 2-piece super shower with the seat and 3-piece sliding glass doors. All right, folks, now that we're inside of our beautiful master bedroom of the 383 BHLE, you're gonna notice king-size bed in all of our floor plans, okay? Large shelves for your valances, so you can charge your phones, you can leave a book or a bottle of water up there for when you're sleeping. We do 110 plugs down both sides of the bed, so if you do have CPAP machines or you need an alarm clock, that is easily accessible as well. As we move around, you're gonna see the massive walk-in closet that we have with Cardinal. So 3 rods that go across and lots of shelving in there and flush floors so that you can just slide your Rubbermaids, that kind of storage stuff in there. Over here, washer dryer prep area. So again, if you don't have washer dryer, more storage. Large dresser in here as well with the bench as well so that you can sit down and actually get dressed. All right folks, now that we've toured this beautiful 383 BHLE Cardinal, I want to tell you, if you have any questions or you want to see any other floor plans that we offer, just go to our website, forestriverinc.com/cardinal.